Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. The title of this video probably sounds a little bit blunt, but the fact of the matter is, on the whole, immigration apparatus in the United States and any immigration apparatus around the world, for the most part, doesn't really care about what you, the applicant, want. And me personally, having dealt with both systems, both the Thai and the American system, with a great deal of frequency these many years, I think I'm doing this video more for people to gain some perspective going into the immigration process. I'm not saying it's particularly right, nor am I saying it's a good thing that this is the case, but let's keep in mind exactly what's happening during the immigration process. So when you file, or when one files, for example, a K-1 visa to the United States, you're making known what you're seeking from the immigration apparatus. You're seeking a K-1 visa. You're seeking a visa for a fiance of an American citizen to come to the U.S. Anything really outside of that, for example, I'd like it to be faster, I'd like it to be slower, or I'd like it to be issued at this consulate as opposed to that consulate. Those are all things that, in my experience, the immigration apparatus, be it the Department of State or the Department of Homeland Security, doesn't exactly care about. Certain things, for example, like the consulate you wish to process through, yes, they may take that into consideration in their discretion to decide where that should process through. But the thing to keep in mind is if you don't fit the criteria for consular jurisdiction, they may not allow you to process through that consulate. And it's just kind of tough. It is what it is. The other thing I see a lot is people that use the ESTA system and get bounced back for various reasons from the ESTA system. They get very frustrated because they want to do something in the United States. They want to go there, for a brief holiday or something. Again, that's not the immigration apparatus's concern. Their concern is something came up in the ESTA system, and to be clear, that's the electronic system for travel authorization, that was concerning, which resulted in a denial of authorization to travel to the United States in waiver status. All of these things, again, I don't mean for this video to be overly blunt, but I want to get the point across that the immigration system's aware of what is wanted, and what is wanted is what one is filing for. Everything's sort of tangential to that, in my opinion, and I think, in my opinion and from my experience, I think they view that as largely irrelevant because their job is to simply process a petition or process a visa application, and everything that's sort of attached to that is kind of superfluous in their eyes.